Today we're doing the upgraded version of the ginger shot, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Off-Grid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. The easiest way to do this ginger shot is to use a slow user of some kind. I'm using the one from KitchenAid. I think that one is easy to assemble, easy to run, and easy to clean when you're done. The ingredients we are using are all ecological, and that's important. We have ginger, lemons, apple, honey and some water. The amount of everything will be in the description of the video. And all the steps are in the video, so be sure to stick around till the end. All of these ingredients are supposed to be good for your health. There is a flu season now, and I take one shot each day, and so far I'm good. I actually try to do that all year round. Ginger is good against cold and might even help with your digestion. Lemons strengthen your immune system, honey is anti-inflammatory, and the apple contains potassium, pectin and vitamin C that's all good for you. Probably these ingredients do a lot more than I know. If you know something more about these ingredients, please leave it in the comments below. When we have made smaller pieces of everything, we run it through the slow user. This slow user does a pretty good job in sucking all the juice out of everything. After juicing, we add honey and then some water. We give it a good stir so the honey dissolves. After that, we bottle it so we can enjoy it every morning before breakfast. Not only is this lemon shot good for you, it tastes amazing too. Have a great weekend and I'll see you next week.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.